Okay. Now we are going to see today in types of functions, equal functions. Now, as the name suggests, equal function, it means there are two functions. Let's say, for example, function f is equal to function g, small g. So now, when can we say these two functions are equal? Following conditions must be satisfied. For function f is equal to function g. Now what are these conditions? Condition 1, both the function must have same domain. So दोनों का जो domain है, it must be same. Second, for each element of x, of the domain. Now what is the domain? F of x should be equal to g of x. That is, for each value of domain, their images must be same. Please write this, then we'll see the example. Now let's do illustration 8 to understand the concept of equal function. Now what is given? We have function f from a to b, where a is equal to 1, 3 and b is equal to 1, 4, 9 and 16, and f of x is equal to x square. Simultaneously, we have second function g from set A to B, where A is equal to 1, 3 and B is equal to 1, 4, 7, 9, 11, and function g of x is equal to 4x minus 3. Now we have to check whether they are equal function or not. So first, what we have to check, please ध्यान दो, we have to check the first condition. So I write over here, both function have same domain. So condition 1 is satisfied. You can see your domain is this and here also domain is this. So first condition satisfied. For second condition, we'll have to find out their images. So f of x is equal to x square. So we take f of 1, which is equal to 1 square, which is equal to 1. F of 3, which is equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9. Over here, g of x, so we take g of 1 is equal to 4 in the bracket 1 minus 3. 4 ones are 4, minus 3 is 1, and g of 3 is equal to 4 in the bracket 3 minus 3. 4 threes are 12, minus 3 is 9. So over here we can see that for domain A, codomain has 1 and 9. Same over here for function G. For domain 1 and 3, codomain are 1 and 9. So that is why we say they are basically equal functions. So let's write for each x belongs to A, f of x is equal to g of x. You can see it is the same 1 and 9, 1 and 9, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Therefore, f and g are equal function. Hence, so always remember the first condition should be that both the domain should be equal. At the same time, for the element of each domain for function f and function g, for 1 we get 1, for 3 we get 9, for this one we get 1, for 3 we get 9. Their images are also the same. Hence we say f and g are equal functions. So both the condition for each element of x of the domain f of x is equal to g of x, that is for each value of domain, their images must be the same. Now, let's check illustration number 7. Now, in illustration number 7, if function f is set n to set n and f of x is equal to x square, set g is equal to z minus 0. Z is set of all negative and positive integers. So z minus 0 to n, and g of x is equal to x square. Now, apparently when you see both of these functions, you will say, sir, these both are equal. But over here we have to see the first condition first. What about their domain? Are their domain same? So let me write domain b of f is equal to a, which is equal to n. So n is what? N is natural numbers. So I'll write 1, 2, 3, so on, so forth. Over here for function g, domain d of f is equal to b, which is equal to z minus 0, so which will be equal to negative minus 2 minus 1 positive 1 2. So you can see over here that this domain and this domain, they are not equal, since both function are on different domain. They are not equal function. They are not equal function. So पहला ही condition satisfy नहीं हुआ. कौन सा था पहला condition? पहला condition is both the function must have the same domain. तो पहला ही condition same domain was not satisfied, hence they are not equal function. Written. All of you understood what are equal functions? तो पहला क्राइटेरिया डोमेन शुड बी द सेम, और उसके बाद डोमेन के जो एलिमेंट है उनका जो इमेज है या आउटपुट है या जिनके साथ उनका दोस्ती है, दे शुड आल्सो बी द सेम. पता चल गया सबको? नाउ इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 9. नाउ function f set a to set b where f of x is equal to 1 minus 4x and we have g which is set A to set C, and g of x is equal to 6x plus 1. A is equal to 0, 1, 2. So we have to check if f and g are equal functions or not. So we have to take the values and we check. For x is equal to 0. So f of 0 is equal to 1 minus, we change the color, f of 0, which is 1 minus 4 into 0. 1 minus 4 into 0 is 1 minus 0, so which is 1. G of 0 is 6 into 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. F of 1, which is equal to 1 minus 4 into 1. So 4 ones are 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, and g of 1 is equal to 6 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 6 ones are 6 plus 1 is 7. So यहाँ पे you can see यहाँ minus 3 और यहाँ पे 7 in, so यही image correct नहीं आ रहा है. And then f of 2 is equal to 4, 1 minus 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 1 minus 8 is minus 7, and g of 2, which is equal to 6 into 2 plus 1, which is equal to 30. So you can see over here that domain may be the same, okay, but the image of the elements of the domain are not same. So we can say that f of 1 is not equal to g of 1, and f of 2 is also not equal to g of 2. Hence, f and g are not equal function. Hence, understood? All of you understood? सो कंडीशन क्या है कि पहले चेक करना है कि डोमेन सेम है कि नहीं. दोनों का डोमेन सेम होने चाहिए, एलिमेंट सेम होने चाहिए. अगर वो सेम है तो दोनों का इमेज भी सेम होना चाहिए. पर कोइंसिडेंटली यहाँ पे इनका इमेज सेम है नहीं. हेंस दे आर नॉट इक्वल फंक्शन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. तुम एक काम करो, अपना टेक्स्ट बुक बंद कर दो. Okay, I'll write the question and then we will solve it. Okay, you also write the question with me. Illustration 10. If f of x is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 1, where x belongs to z but not, so z में से हम क्या निकाल देंगे? 1. So we have to find, what we have to find now? We have to find function f of minus 2, function f of minus 1 and function f of 0. So f of x is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 1. So now first we will find f of minus 2. तो उसमें क्या करना है बच्चों? बहुत ही सिंपल है. ये x है उसको हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है विथ minus 2. So minus 2 cube plus 1 upon minus 2 square minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1. You can write this in bracket to avoid confusion. So which is equal to minus 2 cube is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So that is minus 8 plus 1 upon minus 2 square is minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Now minus 2 again into minus 2. So minus minus will become plus and 1, which is equal to minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7 upon 4 and 4, 8 and 1, 9. So f of minus 2 is equal to minus 7 upon 9. Let's check the next one. Now, next one is f of minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1. हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है x को with minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1 upon minus 1 square is plus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1 plus 1 is 0 upon 4 is always equal to 0. Next one, third one. F of 0 is equal to 0 cube plus 1 upon 0 square minus 2 into 0 plus 1, which is equal to 0 plus 1 is 1 upon 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0 and 1, which is equal to 1. Answer. किसी को डाउट हो तो प्लीज आस्क. Okay, any step if you have not understood. Please mark all of them extremely important. Illustration 11. Now, if f of x is equal to x cubed plus 3 raised to x minus x square minus 2 raised to x, then find what we have to find: function of 3 minus function of 6. Sorry, function of 3 minus 6 into function of 2. So over here, let's write the function first. F of x is equal to x cubed plus 3 raised to x minus x square minus 2 raised to x. So first we find out f of 3 is equal to 3 cubed plus 3 into x. X is also 3 minus 3 square and minus 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 3 cube is 27 plus 27, 3 square is 9 and 8, which is equal to 27 minus 17 is 10, 37. So f of 3 is equal to 37. एक information मिल गया. Now let's find out f of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus 3 raised to x. So 3 raised to 2 minus 2 raised to 2 minus 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 8 plus 3 square is 9 minus 4 minus 4, which is equal to 9. So f of 2 is equal to 9. What we have to find? We have to find f of 3 minus 6 into f of 2, which is equal to 37 minus 6 into 9, which is equal to 37 minus 54, which is equal to minus 17. Hence, now, as I told you, all these sums are very important. So mark illustration 12 also important. Function of x is equal to x in the bracket 2x minus 7, where x belongs to R. R means all real numbers. सारे type के numbers आ गए R में. If you also write the question, please. If f of x is equal to 15, then we have to find value of x. Now, over here, f of x is equal to, ध्यान दो please, is equal to x in the bracket 2x minus 7. Now here it is given f of x is equal to 15. So 15 is equal to x in the bracket 2x minus 7. So now what we will do is we have to open the brackets. So it will be x into 2x is 2x square minus x into 7 is 7x. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. Now 2 into 15 is 30. So 2 into 15 is equal to 30. 30 के दो मल्टीपल चाहिए जिसको ऐड या सब्सट्रैक्ट करके we get 7. So one is you can take 6 5s are 30, but 6 and 5 you can't get 7. But you can definitely
10 and
10
3,
and
sir.
10 and 3. So what we will do is we will split it over here and equation will be 2x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now 2x common, 2x common, x minus 5 twos are 10 minus 5 plus 3 common, x minus 3 fives are 15 which is equal to 0. Therefore 2x plus 3 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. We carry it forward over here. So 2x is equal to minus 3. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 by 2. X minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5. So either x is equal to minus 3 by 2 or x is equal to 5. Answer. Illustration 13, please write the question. If f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 8, then for which value of x? Then for which value of x? ध्यान दो, f in the bracket 2x is equal to 2 into f of x. So here first we have to find out what is this and what is this, and then using the equal sign we have to find the value of x. So पहले equation लिख देते हैं हम. Let me change the color. Okay, let's use f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 8. Now let's take f of 2x which is equal to, अब क्या करेंगे ध्यान दो प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज ध्यान दो. 2x है तो ये x square will be replaced by 2x, so it will become 2x the whole square minus 4 into 2x plus 8. Simultaneously f of x, 2 into f of x, तो f of x तो हमें पता ही है which is x square minus 4x plus 8. Now इन दोनों को इक्वल करना है, so let's do it now. Time has come. f of 2x is equal to f of x. So f of 2x is what? 2x whole square. So 2 2s are 4. So 4x square minus 4 2s are 8. 8x plus 8 is equal to, 2 into f of x. So 2 into f of x. तो इसको पूरा multiply करेंगे with 2. So which is 2x square minus 8x plus 16. Now let's see what we can do. 4x square over here, 2x square over here. ये साइड ले जाएंगे तो हो जाएगा 2x square minus 8x cancel. और यहाँ पे ये जो 8 है उसको ये तरफ ले जाएंगे तो it will be 16 minus 8 which is 8. Therefore x square is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 2 is wrong. X is equal to 2 is wrong because x will not be equal to 2, it will be plus or minus 2. Please be careful. So x will be under root of 4 which will be plus or minus 2. Answer. So for x is equal to plus 2, this equation LHS RHS holds true, and for x is equal to minus 2, this equation holds true. Now section B. Question number 3. Okay, let's do one again. Question 2 also. Once again. Question 2. Function set a to b, where a is equal to minus 3, minus 1, 1 and 3, and b is equal to 1, 0, 9. F of x is equal to x square. Is f a function? We have to check. So what is the definition of function? That for every element of domain, we should have a unique image in codomain. So let's check out. F of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 square, which is equal to 9. F of minus 1 is minus 1 square, which is equal to 1. F of 1 is 1 square, which is equal to 1. And f of 3, which is equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9. So if I draw a diagram of A and B, A has minus 3, minus 1, 1 and 3. B has 1, 0, 9. Now over here, those of you who were not present in the first lecture, ध्यान देना कि when can we call this a function? When A has minus 3, so minus 3 का output is 9, 3 का भी image is 9. So minus 3 has 9, a unique outcome, and 3 also has 9, a unique outcome. Minus 1 has 1 and plus 1 also has 1. So here we can say that f is a function. बट अगर ऐसा होता माइनस 1 और यहाँ पे कोई भी उसका करस्पॉन्डिंग इमेज नहीं होता, तो देन इट इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. इट मींस अगर इनपुट है तो आउटपुट होना ही चाहिए. बट हियर यू विल से कि सर व्हाट अबाउट दिस जीरो? तो जीरो कैन बी हियर इन कोडोमेन, but 0 doesn't form part of range. Range will be what? Range will be 1 and 9. And that is why it is said that range is either equal to codomain or range is a subset of codomain. Question number 3. Now function g is set n to set n. Now what is n? Okay, n is set of natural numbers, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, on and on and on. Now subtract 2 from elements of domain. Is this a function? Let's check. Now from elements of domain, if we have to subtract 2, so we can make an equation g of x is equal to x minus 2. क्योंकि हर एक एलिमेंट जो n में है, डोमेन में है, उसमें से 2 माइनस करना है. So we can make this equation for function g of x is equal to x minus 2. Let's take g of 1 is equal to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. Now over here, domain A is equal to 1, 2, 3, on and on and on. Codomain B is also equal to 1, 2, 3. So here you can see for domain 1, element of domain A, for this 1, we are not having a corresponding image or outcome as -1. Let's check out some other numbers. G of 2, which is equal to 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So -1 भी नहीं है, 0 भी नहीं है. So here we can say that -1 and 0 do not belong to n. Hence, function of g set n to n is not a function. Answer is not a function. All of you understood this? All of you understood this? Next. Fourth, fifth, sixth are all theory. Seventh. Let's check the seventh one. So section B, seventh one. Function one, two, three is set 1, 2, 3 to n, and function g is 2, 3, 4 to n. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x minus 1. Are f and g equal? Let's check. Now, looking at the sum, directly we can say that they are not equal because this domain and this domain, both the domains are not same. Hence, they are not equal function. They are functions separately, that is possible, but over here, f and g are not equal function. So let's write domain d of f is equal to 1, 2, 3 and domain d of g is equal to 2, 3, 4, which are not equal since both are on different domain. F and g are not equal function. Answer. Understood all of you? Equal function पता चला? तो इसमें तुम्हें आगे फिर कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है बिकॉज दोनों का डोमेन ही अलग है तो व्हाई वेस्ट टाइम ऑन इट. Okay, first condition only did not get satisfied. Now, eighth one, again eighth and ninth very important. Function z to n f of t is equal to t square plus 1. T belongs to z. We have to find type of function. You all also write the question. So let's first write what are the domain. Is equal to z, which will be equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, on and on, because what is z? Z is a set of integers, positive and negative integers. Now, equation is f in the bracket t is equal to t square plus 1. So we take f minus 2 is equal to -2 square plus 1. F minus 1 is -1 square plus 1. F of 0 is 0 square plus 1. F of 1 is 1 square plus 1, and f of 2 is 2 square plus 1, which is equal to 4 and 1 5, 1 and 1 2, 1 minus 1 square is 1 plus 1 again 2, and over here again 5. So you can see over here -2 and 5 and 2 and 5 also. So can you tell me what type of function is this?
Many one function.
Many one. Very good, very good. I'll just draw a diagram -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And over here you have 1, 2 and 5. So -2 also 5, 2 also 5. Then -1 also 2, plus 1 also 2. Hence, it is many one function. 0 and so on. Hence, any doubt, anyone? Should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now question number 9. Again, very important. Section B, question 9. Now, function f n to n f of t is equal to t square plus 1. T belongs to n. Find type of function. So first let's write what is n. N is a set of natural numbers. So countable numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Now domain d of f, which is equal to a, which is equal to n, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. F of t is equal to t square plus 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1, which is equal to 2. F of 2, which is equal to 2 square plus 1, which is 5. F of 3, which is 3 square plus 1, which is equal to 10. So if I draw a diagram, I'll have 1, 2, 3. Let's say this is set A and this is set B. I'll have 2, 5 and 10. So 1 का 2, 2 का output 5, and 3 का image 10. So what type of function is this?
1, 1.
1 and 1.
1 function. It is 1 function. In homework, you have to do illustration number 7 to illustration number 13 and section A and section B, including theory.